What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are doing some ice fishing. First of all, I apologize. It has been a while since I uploaded a video. It's been about maybe 2 months or more. You know, I was busy with school, kind of waiting for this ice to come over, and now the ice is actually going to leave. This is probably the last day of good ice we have, and then like the next week it's going to be in the 40s. So I decided we'd try to get one crack at ice fishing before it all melts, and then we got to wait for it to refreeze. Hey, I'm not actually too sure who we're fishing with. I know we're fishing with Justin. Justin's getting the bait right now. He'll be here in about 15 to 20 minutes. And I know we're fishing with Kevin. We're actually at Kevin's pond right now. Kevin's actually sleeping in though, so he's not starting the day with us. Decided to go out there whenever we get here, which is really cool. The temperature today, like I said, it's getting pretty warm. Right now it's 30 degrees. It's currently, what time is it? It's currently 7:25 in the morning. Left my house at about 6:30. Just pulled up to Kevin's crib. We're actually rocking the Jigging Gold. If you guys can't tell, Jigging just dropped a new line. It's pretty cool. It's really comfortable. It's a really heavy sweatshirt. I love it. And today for the hat, we might not wear a hat later because it's getting warm, but to start the day because it's a little chilly, we're gonna be rocking the Follow the Action beanie. You can just imagine it with me, you know, something, it would look something like this. Awesome beanie. If you guys are looking to pick up one of these, wear what I wear, check out the link down below in the description. Use code SLINGERS15 to get 15% off anything on their website. Yeah, just like that. I thought this would look real good. This would look real nice when I'm slaying the ice bass today. Yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. If you guys are new here, my name is Cade. Fishlingers, Cesar Fishing, that's Instagram, follow me. And we're just gonna wait for Justin. We're just gonna chill out. I got a bunch of good stuff. We got a sled, we got the poles, we got the scanner, we got the auger. I'm fired up, I'm ready to go. Now we just wait for Justin and the live bait, and I think some more people too, not too sure, but guys, we're gonna have a hell of a day. Thank you for sticking in for this long intro. Let's get it. In the middle? I don't even know. Oh, that was a good rip. We're ready to go. You see that, guys? What do we got there?
The money right there.
That's the money, huh? All right. We got this bad boy fired up. We're gonna wake up the whole neighborhood with this thing. Beautiful day out here. Looks gorgeous. 5 inches of ice. We're gonna let this bad boy warm up. We're gonna drill some holes. Let's catch some fish. First ice hole of the year. Yeah, baby. Huh? You're on? Yep. How are you on? I'm still drilling, bruh. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, nice. Little largy, huh? No way.
Dude, immediately.
I'm still drilling, bruh.
I drilled this hole and I was like, dude, it's stacked. He just came straight up.
There more?
Look, those are all fish.
Oh my gosh, should I just drop down next to you real quick? Yeah, all right, we can drill later. Justin's already jigging, and he's on fish, bruh. One's gonna go off. All right, it's moving a little bit. Is it recording? Not yet. All right, it's moving a little bit in this direction. You guys see it's moving right there? You ready for this, bro? You see guys moving right here? It's going off in that direction, so you just want to kind of pull up on it lightly, let him swim, and yank him. And just bring him in slow. Slight head tugs. Doesn't seem like the biggest fish. I can tell you that. But if he wants to run, let him run, dude. The only thing you're doing now is just forcing the hook out of his mouth. I knew it was gonna go off. Did I say that?
Yep.
I marked it when I put him down. Oh, you little, come on, buddy. And there it is. Choked it. My first ice bass of the year. Put it here, bro. Let's go. This tip has been up for a couple minutes. Look at that. Think he wanted that thing? Yeah, he was sitting on it that whole time. We're gonna get a quick picture. Put her back real quick because it is a little cold out here. It's warming up though. And this is the first fish of the year. Let's get it. All right, guys, first fish of the day. Not a bad one, but not a big one. Can only go up from here, hopefully. And she's already ready to go, so we're just gonna slide her down. She kicks right off. Let's get it, baby. First ice fish of the winter. Yes. There's one. I got one. Oh, yeah. Oh. Nice largy. Yeah, baby. First jig fish of the year. Frostbite. I think this might be like a cotton candy jig. Does that sound right? All right, here she goes down the hole. My first jig fish this season. And she does a little splash, splash. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, Kevin. Let's go. Yeah. He's bending, bro. You got him? Yeah. Oh, that feels good, huh?
And the new combo.
Literally spooled up to what, 20 minutes? Oh, that's a nice one, Justin. Well, not the best, but I thought it was nicer than it looked, but Not a bad one. I'm gonna get the big camera real quick. We'll get a cool shot of that. And Justin just landed this one. Not the biggest yet. It's our first fish in about an hour, but not a bad one. We'll take that any day.
Action going.
There she goes. Let's get some more, baby. Woo! On him. Let's go. Come on, stay on. Okay. Yeah, can you grab that real quick? Thank you, sir. Bass on, baby. This hole had nothing in it 2 minutes ago. I don't want to lose them either. Just taking my time. I got a nice one. I think it's probably decent, like average from what we've been catching today. Can't really see him, though. He's going in circles. You saw him up there? He's got a lot of fight to him, though. I'll give him that. Yeah, he came out of nowhere, though. You see that red blip fly up the screen? That was cool.
That's nice.
That's a good one. All right, that's a good one. Nice little bass right there on. This is like the average size all day. I swear, every fish is this size. On the frostbite jig, though, right on top of the lip. Like I said, guys, I'm just drilling so many holes. I've drilled like 11 holes the past 20 minutes, and I'm just like going back and forth to each one because I'm just trying to find some bass coming through. And this is like my 4th bass in the last like half an hour or something, so I'm not doing too bad jigging. I'm gonna get a little picture of this guy and I'm gonna put him back, but look at those colors, dude. Those look awesome. Yeah, in the winter, these fish look so cool. That's another bass. I honestly, I might have like 5 or 6 now, which is, it's all adding up. I think I've caught 4 in this corner, and then before that I caught like 2 over there. And I'm telling you, dude, the worms are the trick. Screw the wax worms.
Yeah, worms.
Regular worms are the way to go. They're great. Catch some more. Yeah? Deucer comes out of the hole. I'm not gonna say anything. Besides, how do you feel?
Feeling bassy.
Wow, feeling bassy. Let's get a look down that hole. I did see her. Oh, that's a good one. Jordan's got like, what, 4 fish or something like that in the last like couple minutes. There's my rod, like 2 inches away from Justin's. Not even sniffed. I don't know what's going on. They just like Justin's little shiner better. Not a bad fish, bro.
This hole's just stacked.
Crazy big yet.
No.
Maybe we'll be saying that all day. I don't know, but good fish, man. Let's go. It's spinning too. All right. On this side of it. Got him. Yeah. We'll set up the other tip up still, and this one just shot off. Justin called it out. Still having big camera difficulties, so not using it right now.
Nice.
Not a bad one.
Not a bad one.
My biggest one of the day. Definitely a little bigger than the last one. Choked that. Let's go, baby. We'll get a quick picture. And it might be picking up, dude.
Yeah, it's going off.
We just had 3 fish in like 10 minutes. I'm still setting up that one, which just went off as well. Not a bad one at all. I love the colors on these winter largemouth. Looks so cool. Not using the big camera right now. Oh, she was ready to go. We gotta get back down there. It seems like there's a lot of bass moving now. It's about, what, 10 maybe? Yeah. 10, and they're might be feasted now, so we're gonna get right back down there, not waste any time. Good part right here. Oh, he's hooked up. It was good luck song. It's a little girl. Let's go. There we go. That's not a gill. That's definitely a bass. Oh no, I didn't take my deucer out. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I see him. I have like 3 lines in the water. Jesus. I got a mess going on right here, guys. I got a deucer in the water. I got like 3 lines in. Jesus. What is going on? This is awful. It's awful. Just get him in. Just a dink little bass. Messed up everything because I had 2 lines in there. Bass! Yes! This is a rookie mistake. Okay, so I had the shiner pull down there. I was like, okay, this would be cool. I had the deucer down there, and then I dropped this down there just cause. Never do that. Because you can't tell, the mess I have right now is just absurd. We're gonna take him out right on the little frostbite jig, right on the top of the mouth. All we do is tip it with a little worm instead of like waxes and stuff. The worms seem to be working really well. I knew there was a bass down there. It was too big of a mark to be a bluegill. So we'll get this tangle figured out. But there's the bass, nothing crazy big. Drop her back down if she wants to go. Oh geez. Like I have two more holes right behind me. I didn't even hit yet just because this one's been on fire. I've hooked 3 bass, caught 2 of them, and there's a bunch of gills down there. So I mean, this area seems to be pretty good. I might drill a few more holes. But ice fishing, like to be honest, it's all about like, if you find 1 fish, drill all around because there could be more around. That's what I did. I drilled 3 more holes around this, and now I'm finding more fish. and I'm catching more fish, which is ultimately the goal. So I'm gonna put this down, fix my terrible tangle. Oh my God, it just looks brutal. And don't do what I did, okay? Keep one line in the water, take the deucer out when you catch a fish, but now I gotta fix this. That could be
that's a bass. Look at the red that just
Yeah, but look at the red of my jig. Oh, he's coming up.
Yeah, that's a bass.
There he is. That's a bass. Want to get the gyps out for me? Nice. Hey, should this be the last fish of the day if I get him?
Yeah.
All right, we got one more fish. Hopefully. I don't want to jinx anything here. Got a lot of action to him. Look at him just swimming in circles.
Man, the jigging is pretty fun.
Yeah, guys, it's crazy. The tip-ups haven't even moved. Live shiner, but then they see the frostbite jig and a worm, and they love it, which I'm not complaining, dude. I love jigging. Yeah. Now, I mean, for today's the first day I've really started jigging. And we're going to end it on this fish right there. It's like I caught this one the same size all day. I really don't understand it, but nothing beats it. We saw a huge red mark down there. Just hole hopping all 69 holes we drilled out here. And that's a good one at the end of the day. Last fish of the day. Stuck on my rod. Let's move that for him. And he's gone. Let's get out of here, bro. That's a great day. We didn't catch anything big. But for my first time ice fishing this year, I probably caught like 8 to 9 bass and a million bluegill, but it was a great day. We're gonna pack everything up, and I'll see you guys in the outro. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. It might be a bit longer. I'm not sure how I'm gonna edit it, but thank you so much for watching. It's been my first time fishing in about 2 to 3 months, I think. So to get back on the ice one last time before it melts and hopefully freezes over again, it was super fun. Huge shout out to Kevin for letting us fish, and huge shout out for, where are you? Justin, for coming out. It's a great day. I mean, I caught about probably 10 bluegill or so. Obviously, I'm not gonna put every single one on camera because they were so small. I caught one that's gotta be like a state record for the smallest fish ever. I caught like maybe 6 to 8 bass, but the thing that's just so surprising about this place is that tip-ups do not do well. We had tip-ups layered throughout this place, and they wouldn't even get sniffed, but all of a sudden you drop a jig down, and I'm hole hopping, and the bass are slamming it. So I caught about 6 to 8 bass, and Justin caught about 20 bass in the same hole the entire day. But we really never got that big one that we were looking for, which is, I mean, it's unfortunate, but we were out here having fun, catching some bass through the ice. Nothing beats it. Beautiful, beautiful day in the water. It's all melting a little bit, and I'll be gone in probably 2 days or so. So stay safe out there if you're going out in the next couple days. If you guys did enjoy this video, please smack that thumbs up button. If you're new here, subscribe down below. Check out my Instagram, check out all my social media. I'm gonna leave it down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Me and Justin, hope you enjoyed it. You think they enjoyed it?
I think so.
Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it.
Justin enjoyed it, so that's good. If Justin enjoyed it, you should enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We will see you guys in the next one. Peace.